So far, we have only covered synchronous methods of the getIt package, and we saw how we can register a dependency and how we can get the dependency out of the getIt. Now we're going to talk about how we can register a asynchronous dependency and how we can get that dependency out of the getIt. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use register, singleton, async method. All of the asynchronous methods are similar to the synchronous methods. The only difference here is asynchronous methods are going to take up some time. Now I'm going to remove this and this, and also I'm going to remove this param, and I'm going to remove hash code, and also I'm going to add some delay just to mimic behavior of a asynchronous class, right? Also we need to add async here. Here I'm going to pass 1. You can pass any value, whichever you want. So let me run this. So as I'm going to hit the register button, I got this error. So why am I getting this error? Actually, you can't use get with the asynchronous dependencies. You need to use get async, right? But now there's one more problem. This async is going to return future of class A. As we know, to get value from any asynchronous method, we need to use future builder. So what we are going to do, we are going to add a future builder, and also here we are going to add getIt dot I dot get async, and here we are going to pass A, right? Now we can get context and snapshot from here, and from inside what we can do, if the snapshot dot has data, we are going to return the snapshot dot data, else we are going to return not initialized, right? Also what we need to do, we need to only call this if it's registered. If it's not registered, so we need to add a condition here, we will show any, right? Wait for the 5 seconds and let's see. So as you can see, we have got the value. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.